the things that we come in contact with in our daily lives, such as a watch, a lamp, or a chair. So, how are they designed? Starting from scratch, what are the procedures and stages to go through? Take an LED lamp we designed, for an example. Let's dive into the world of industrial production and engineering design.
Before deciding to develop this LED light, you need to conduct market research, use all kind of data to support the research, and have enough confidence to invest in the project. Because once you decide to do this, you need to invest a lot of energy, money, and the subsequent manufacturing costs to meet the design. The risk is large. Now, despite the fact that the research is good, there could be a rapid change in the market just after the product has been realized. Or there's other product that is better than yours, thus increasing the possibilities of running a huge loss.
After battling through the early stages, we will enter the product planning stage. Generally, a variety of similar products will be collected. We analyze their strengths and weaknesses, then add our understanding of the products to form a preliminary concept. Once the concept stage is finished, we enter the design stage. This stage is divided into two parts: appearance and structural design. First comes the appearance, then make the corresponding internal structure through the appearance. For example, the shaft, the circuit board design, the wiring method, the assembly process during production, the material application and mold manufacturing process. This stage takes the longest. It is the vital stage that determines the success or the failure of the product. After the appearance and the structural design has been implemented, it then enters the first stage of prototyping. We will find the professional prototype factories for producing some of the special parts such as PCB chips, lamp beads, light guide plates, and so forth. We also need to cooperate with the purchasing department and visit relevant supporting factories.
这个呢是我们的工业级 3D 打印机，它的打印精度呢可以达到 0.1 毫米，然后它的打印原理是采用上面的激光器将激光照射在原材料上面，这个原材料呢是液体的形态，照射到的部位呢它就会变硬，然后一层一层的堆叠上来，最后呢才会形成我们需要的一个零件。
After all the accessories are made, it comes down to the sample trial installation stage. At this stage, some defects in appearance and structure will be found, including touch sensitivity, chip component location, static elimination, lighting effects, and other defects. Depending on the feedback, the drawing of the product will be readjusted. After confirmation, we proceed to the second stage of prototype. If everything goes well, the second stage is fundamentally similar to the final stage of the official product. Some complicated products may also need the third or even fourth stage of sample testing to finalize the drawings. After the above complicated process, it finally enters the molding stage. Developing a product is complex. High professionality in the field comprehension of the market and its consumers is standard requirement. The art of balancing both functionality and innovation is important to the success of the product. Then there must be strength of the capital investment. The result is often not ideal. Product design is like giving birth to a life. Carefulness, attentiveness, and striving for the best. What we can do is to keep trying, keep making progress, for there is no progress without trying.